I've designed over 100 bathrooms as interior designer. In this video I want to show you my personal top 5 from my projects. Number 5 is one of my favorite examples of how to use color in a bathroom. For this project I chose large format Atlas Concord tiles in a warm terracotta shade. The tiles are big, which helps create a cleaner and more seamless look. But the most important detail is the texture. When you use bright or saturated colors, I recommend choosing tiles with the natural surface texture. It makes the color feel more softer and more sophisticated instead of overwhelming the space. To create contrast, I paired these warm terracotta tiles with black fixtures throughout the bathroom. The shower, taps, toilet and accessories are all finished in black. This combination creates a strong visual balance between warmth and simplicity. Another detail I really like is the vanity. Instead of choosing the vanity first and then searching for matching tiles, I did the opposite. I selected the tiles first and then matched the vanity color using acrylic stone. It allows you to achieve a much more accurate color match. The result is a bathroom that feels warm, modern and bold, while still remaining elegant and comfortable to use. Number 4 is a great example of how to work with travertine effect tiles. Travertine has a very rich and expressive texture. It looks beautiful, but if you use small tiles, the pattern starts repeating too often and can become visually overwhelming. That's why I chose large format tiles and installed them from floor to ceiling. The less seams you have, the cleaner and more natural the travertine looks. It allows the texture to be appreciated without creating visual noise. To keep the space balanced, I paired the travertine with simple white elements throughout the bathroom. The vanity, sinks, bathtub, shower tray and sanitary ware are all finished in white. This helps soften the strong texture of the stone and creates calm, elegant atmosphere. Another special feature of this project is its size. Many people assume this bathroom belongs to a house, but it is actually part of an apartment. The space is unusually large, which gave us the opportunity to include both a freestanding bath and a separate walk-in shower. I also designed a large vanity with 2 sinks, making the bathroom much more comfortable for everyday use. The final result feels spacious, luxurious and timeless, while still remaining practical for daily life. And before we continue, I want to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my little channel to help my channel grow. That way more people can see my videos. And if you like this top 5 idea, let me know in the comments below. Bathroom number 3 is probably the most affordable project on this list. What I like about this bathroom is that it shows how simple design decisions can still create a beautiful result without requiring a large budget. For the main surfaces I used very simple 60 by 60 cm tiles with a concrete texture. To add warmth and create a focal point, I paired them with wood effect tiles. This is a very simple combination, but it works extremely well. The wood texture creates an accent around the shower area and makes the space feel more inviting. Most of the elements in this bathroom are standard products that are easy to find. For example, the vanity is from IKEA, the sink is very simple and the mirror is simple as well. There are no expensive custom solutions here. The only custom-made element is the tall cabinet above the washing machine. It goes all the way to the ceiling and serves 2 purposes. First, it hides the boiler, which is often difficult to integrate into a bathroom design. Second, it provides storage for washing liquids, detergents, cleaning supplies, and other household accessories. This helps keep the bathroom organized and free from visual clutter. I think this project is a good reminder that a successful bathroom doesn't have to be luxurious. With a few small material choices and clean layout, you can create a bathroom that looks modern, feels comfortable, and stays within a reasonable budget. Simple, practical, and affordable. Bathroom number 2 is all about contrast and a single strong focal point. For this project, I used dark gray stone effect tiles on both the floor and the walls. By keeping the same material throughout the space, the bathroom feels more cohesive, calm and architectural. The fixtures are also intentionally neutral. The taps, shower and sanitary ware are finished in black, which works perfectly with the dark stone texture and reinforces the minimalist character of the design. But the real centerpiece of this bathroom is the freestanding bath. Instead of choosing a traditional white bath, I selected a beautiful terracotta colored model with a stone-like finish. Because the rest of the bathroom uses restrained and neutral colors, the bath immediately becomes the focal point of the entire space. This is a design principle I often use. When you want to highlight one feature, keep everything around it simple. The calmer the background, the more the accent stands out. Another detail I really like is the placement of the bathtub. It is positioned right next to the window, allowing you to enjoy the view while taking a bath. This creates a much more relaxing experience and gives the bathroom a feeling often associated with luxury hotels or private houses. The result is a bathroom that feels elegant, dramatic and relaxing at the same time. And bathroom number 1. This bathroom is actually quite small, but that's exactly what makes it interesting. It proves that even a compact space can feel elegant, functional and unique. For this project, I used porcelanosa tiles from floor to ceiling in a light beige stone texture. Using the same material throughout the space helps minimize seams and creates a cleaner, more seamless look. One of my favorite features is the sink area. Instead of a traditional vanity, I used a tall freestanding sink combined with the floor-standing tap. Together with the asymmetrically positioned mirror, these elements give the bathroom a more architectural and unexpected appearance. Another interesting solution came from a technical requirement. Behind the toilet, we needed to create a plasterboard wall to conceal the installation and plumbing. Instead of wasting that space, I transformed it into a functional niche next to the sink. It became a convenient place for everyday accessories, allowing us to avoid the vanity units that are commonly used in bathrooms. To bring warmth into the space, I combined the neutral beige tiles with wood textures. The niche is finished in wood, and the same material is used for the custom cabinet surrounding the washing machine and dryer. This cabinet provides additional storage for detergents, cleaning products, and household accessories while keeping everything hidden and organized. For contrast, I introduced small vertical white tiles as an accent and paired them with black details, including the taps, toilet and accessories. The combination of beige stone, warm wood, crisp white accents and black fixtures creates a balanced and timeless palette. Even though the bathroom is small, it feels clean, calm and highly functional. And for me, that's what good design is all about. Making every centimeter work while creating a space that feels beautiful to use every day. These were my personal top 5 bathroom designs. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.